Whether it's for good or evil, this arcane circle is going to add some mystery to my tabletop, so we're getting it ready this week. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So on this week's video, I'm going to be taking these 3D prints, which I pieced together, and they are going to be painted up to look like arcane circles. Now the fact that I'm doing two of them is a happy accident because I accidentally printed them twice and didn't intend to do this same print multiple times. So as you can see here, I've already got the two halves of these prints glued together, and I'm just using a little Zap-A-Gap super glue to fill in the gap between the two halves, and then I'm taking a file just to file it down a little smoother. We'll begin the painting process by priming both of these in Vallejo's black surface primer. Now for one of the two circles, I'm going to be using Arcane Paint's white to outline all of the grooves of this design. I'm doing this so that when I put the color over top, it doesn't totally disappear into the black primer. Our other circle will use scarlet red to go through and line all of the grooves cut into these circles. Just like the white, there's no need to be neat and tidy with this, just cover all of the grooves. Now this is a new product for me. We'll be taking Green Stuff World's Floor Lime to cover over our white lines. This is a fluorescent paint that will glow in the dark when a black light is applied. Now I'm going to clean everything up by going over both of these with Arcane Paint's base gray. This will give us a nice gray stone color that then we can accent. Next up, I'm going to do a dry brush over all of the stone with Arcane Paint's Olive Dry Brush. Go light on this, you don't want it too heavy-handed. After the first dry brush has had a chance to fully dry, we're going to go back over it with a second dry brush, this time in Arcane Paint's Stone Edge. This will bring out all the highest points of our stone and give it a really nice dappled effect. And our very last step is going to be to take some Citadel Carroburg Crimson and just go over the red sigil. Now this one, I kind of wanted it to look like blood in the grooves, so when Carroburg Crimson dries, it has that dried blood effect, which I really like on this. Scatter terrain is an important part to any tabletop game, and I think that these two different effects really take this arcane sigil and give it a lot of versatility on the tabletop. I love how these both turned out, and I can't wait for my players to see it. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.